6 powerful seeds that can help heal nerve damage naturally. Are you dealing with nerve damage or slow nerve healing? It can be a tough and frustrating journey, but there's good news. Nature offers powerful solutions that can support nerve recovery and repair. In this video, we'll explore the world of super seeds, focusing on 6 potent seeds that can scientifically help speed up nerve healing. Prepare to uncover a natural approach to restore and strengthen your nerves. Imagine boosting your nerve function and easing discomfort simply by harnessing the power of natural ingredients. These super seeds are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties that nourish your nerves and promote faster healing. Incorporating them into your diet won't just support nerve health, it will also provide a host of other benefits, from better digestion and heart health to enhanced brain function. These seeds are true powerhouses of nutrition. What is nerve damage? Neuropathy. Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, occurs when nerves are injured or disrupted, impairing their ability to transmit signals between the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of the body. Nerves play a critical role in controlling movements, sensations, and bodily functions, so when they are damaged, it can lead to a range of symptoms and complications depending on the affected nerves. Causes of nerve damage. Nerve damage can result from various factors, including injury or trauma, e.g., accidents, fractures, or surgery, chronic conditions, e.g., diabetes, autoimmune diseases, multiple sclerosis, infections, e.g., shingles, HIV, toxic exposure, e.g., alcohol, certain medications, chemotherapy, nutritional deficiencies, e.g., lack of vitamins like B12. Common symptoms of nerve damage. Numbness or tingling, especially in the hands, feet, or extremities, pain, burning, sharp, or shooting sensations. Weakness, difficulty moving muscles or controlling movements. Loss of sensation, inability to feel heat, cold, or pressure. Muscle atrophy, loss of muscle mass, coordination problems, imbalance or unsteady walking. Types of nerve damage. There are different kinds of nerves in the body, and each can be affected differently. Peripheral nerve damage affects nerves outside the brain and spinal cord, e.g., hands, feet. Autonomic nerve damage affects involuntary functions like heart rate, digestion, and bladder control. Motor nerve damage affects muscle control and movement. Sensory nerve damage affects the ability to feel sensations like pain and temperature. Top 6 super seeds for nerve repair and regeneration. 1. Flax seeds. A perfect ally for nerve healing. Flax seeds are a powerful seed for nerve recovery and repair. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, they provide essential nourishment to damaged nerves, supporting the rebuilding of nerve cells and the growth of new nerve tissue. These healthy fats are vital in promoting overall nerve health and regeneration. In addition to their omega-3 content, flax seeds are rich in lignans, natural compounds with strong antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect nerves from further damage, creating a more favorable environment for healing. Flax seeds also offer a good source of dietary fiber, which contributes to overall digestive health, ensuring that your body can effectively absorb the nutrients it needs for recovery. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of flax seeds can help alleviate discomfort associated with nerve damage, such as pain and tingling. By incorporating flax seeds into your daily diet, whether in smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods, you can easily harness their healing benefits. This simple addition to your meals can play a significant role in supporting nerve regeneration and enhancing your overall well-being. 2. Chia seeds. Nutrient-dense boosters for nerve health. Chia seeds may be small, but they are mighty when it comes to nutrition. These little gems are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to support nerve health. The omega-3s present in chia seeds can effectively help alleviate symptoms of nerve damage, including pain, tingling, and numbness. Beyond their healthy fat content, chia seeds are packed with antioxidants that shield your nerves from oxidative stress. Damaged nerves are particularly vulnerable to this kind of stress, which can exacerbate existing issues. By adding chia seeds to your diet, Whether in smoothies, oatmeal, or as a topping for salads, you can offer your nerves the crucial support they need to heal and regenerate. Additionally, chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, both of which are vital for optimal nerve function. Their unique ability to absorb water and create a gel-like consistency can also help keep you hydrated and may assist in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Making chia seeds a staple in your meals can significantly enhance your nerve health and overall vitality. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Nutrient-packed protectors of nerve health. Often underestimated, pumpkin seeds are a remarkable source of nutrients essential for nerve recovery and repair. These small yet mighty seeds are brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are vital for maintaining optimal nerve health. A key player in pumpkin seeds is magnesium, which is critical for nerve function and healing. Low levels of magnesium have been linked to nerve damage and hindered regeneration. By incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet, you can ensure your nerves get the necessary amounts of this important mineral to support effective recovery. Moreover, pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your nerves from harmful free radicals while also aiding in their repair. This combination of magnesium and vitamin E creates a nurturing environment for nerve healing. Whether added to salads, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed as a crunchy snack, integrating pumpkin seeds into your daily meals can supply your nerves with the vital nutrients they need to heal and flourish. 4. Hemp seeds. The ultimate protein powerhouse. Hemp seeds are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and essential amino acids. The omega-3s found in hemp seeds are vital for reducing nerve inflammation and aiding in the repair and recovery of damaged nerves. Additionally, the amino acids present in hemp seeds play a crucial role in synthesizing the proteins needed for the maintenance and growth of nerve cells. By incorporating hemp seeds into your diet, you can rejuvenate your nerves and promote effective healing. Whether sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or mixed into baked goods, adding hemp seeds to your meals can significantly enhance nerve health and overall well-being. 5. Sunflower seeds. A bright boost for your nerves. Last but certainly not least, sunflower seeds are a fantastic addition to your nerve recovery regimen. These seeds are rich in vitamin B12, which plays a vital role in nerve regeneration. Vitamin B12 is crucial for producing myelin, the protective sheath surrounding your nerves. Insufficient levels of vitamin B12 can lead to increased nerve damage and hinder the regeneration process. In addition to vitamin B12, sunflower seeds are also high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects nerve cells from oxidative stress. By incorporating sunflower seeds into your daily diet, you provide your nerves with this impressive combination of vitamins, creating a supportive environment for healing and recovery. Whether enjoyed as a snack, added to salads, or blended into smoothies, sunflower seeds can significantly enhance your nerve health and overall well-being. 6. Sesame seeds. Tiny treasures for nerve health. Sesame seeds are often underappreciated, yet they are a powerhouse of nutrients that can greatly benefit nerve health. These small seeds are rich in essential fatty acids, particularly omega-6, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and supporting nerve function. In addition to their healthy fats, sesame seeds are packed with important vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, calcium, and vitamin B1. Magnesium helps with nerve function and can ease symptoms of nerve damage, while calcium is vital for proper nerve signaling. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is essential for maintaining nerve health and can help improve nerve function. Moreover, sesame seeds contain antioxidants that protect your nerves from oxidative stress, which can lead to further damage. Adding sesame seeds to your diet is easy. You can sprinkle them on salads, use them in stir-fries, or blend them into sauces and dressings. By including sesame seeds in your meals, you can provide your nerves with the nutrients they need to repair and thrive, contributing to your overall well-being. So, consider these tiny treasures as a delicious way to boost your nerve health. The bottom line: incorporating these super seeds into your daily meals can greatly aid in your nerve healing and recovery. Whether you sprinkle them on salads, toss them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack, These seeds offer a simple and delicious way to support your nerves. Don't miss the chance to enhance your nerve recovery. Start adding these 6 super seeds to your daily routine today. This is a fantastic step toward revitalizing your nerves and unlocking your body's natural ability to heal. Making these seeds a part of your diet is not only easy but also enjoyable. You can experiment with various recipes or combine them in different ways to keep your meals interesting. For example, try adding them to your morning oatmeal, mixing them into homemade granola bars, or stirring them into soups for an extra nutrient kick. So, give your nerves the attention they deserve by including these super seeds in your daily eating habits. With regular use and a touch of creativity, you'll be on the path to nurturing your nerves and improving your overall health. Remember, even small changes can lead to meaningful benefits over time. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Wishing you good health, wealth and happiness.